Hi YouTubers, Prince Edward Island is in another huge blizzard right now. We got hit pretty hard. Look how high these drifts are next to my motorhome. Look at the car, trying to get close to that car there. My car is just like the pathway is just high. The little scoop bucket I've been filming is almost completely buried. I mean, look across the way. I mean, the snow drifts are so high. Look at this wall of ice. Look at the drifts. I mean, they're just crazy. If you can just get like a little idea, look at the little shed in the snow, how high it is around the shed, right here in front. Look at that. It's crazy. But this is the clincher over here. I can't even open the door. I wanted to open that door and show you. The wall of ice came up to my window. Look at that. This is how I'm going to back up so you can see my window. That's how high the drifts are getting. On this side, the snow just blew a big drift up to my window. So it's up here. It's pretty high right here. But that's, look, I wanted to show you my deck. My deck is just covered in snow. I want to open this door if I'm just hoping I have to get wind blown. Look at the wall. That's the wall. Okay, that's my door. This is the bottom of my door, and it goes all the way up like that. So you can see, I call the wall of ice right there in snow.
From the outside, Lisa, over by the barn.
And then we can just see this, like, there's so much snow. It's like mountains of snow. Oh my God, I'm freezing. But look, I just want to show you the outside of my window. Those drifts are so high. Look at that. Hope I don't drop my camera. Look at the snow went all the way up my window. Woo! The storm's not even over yet, so it's still climbing. Jose's gonna have his work cut out today to shovel. The poor horses are just freezing. They're in the backyard eating. I don't know how I'm gonna put my dog out today. The drifts are so high she's gonna be buried. Okay, I want to show you this little video.
See the drifts on this side, Lisa?
Yeah, I did. I showed him. Oh my God, this is crazy.
They see the horses?
Yeah. All right, signing off.